Good day everyone. My name is Calvin Daluna and my partner Patrick Arcilla are here to discuss DNA analysis, forensic odontology, and fingerprint classification. Important forensic science techniques that help solve crimes and identify individuals accurately in various situations. Introduction. Personal identification is important in forensic science and law enforcement. It helps identify individuals in crime, accident, and disaster. Different scientific methods are used to ensure accurate identification. Personal identification is the process of knowing kung sino talaga ang isang tao. Ginagamit ito lalo na sa crime investigations. Halimbawa, kapag may nakita na katawan o may suspect, kailangan ma-confirm kung sino talaga siya. Next, DNA analysis. Uses a person's unique genetic code collected from blood, hair, saliva, or skin. Highly accurate, commonly used in criminal investigation and missing person cases. Ang DNA analysis ay isang method na gumagamit ng unique genetic code ng isang tao. Ibig sabihin, bawat tao may sariling DNA na hindi exactly same sa iba. Kinukuha ang DNA sa blood, hair, saliva or skin. Kahit small sample lang, pwede na siyang gamitin. Super accurate kaya common siya sa investigation. Importance of DNA analysis. Identifies suspects and victims. Helps solve crimes with strong evidence. Useful even with the small biological samples. Maraming benefits ang DNA analysis sa forensic investigation. Una, yung identify suspect and victims. Nakakatulong ito para malaman kung sino ang involved sa isang crime. Pangalawa, help solve crimes with strong evidence. Ang DNA evidence ay consider na isang pinakamalakas na ebidensya sa court. Pangatlo, works with small samples. Kahit maliit na biological evidence lang makikita sa crime scene, pwede pa rin itong gamitin. Help in missing persons cases. Nakakatulong ito para ma-identify ang mga nawawalang tao o identified bodies. Link suspects to crime scene. Kung ang DNA ng suspect ay match sa DNA na kita sa crime scene, makakatulong ito sa investigation. So basically, ang DNA analysis ay very powerful tool sa forensic science kasi nakakatulong ito para malaman ang truth at mabigyan ng justice ang mga cases.
So, let's proceed to Henry FBI classification system. System used to organize fingerprint records based on fingerprint patterns, especially walls, uses a numerical formula. So, the Henry FBI classification system is a method used to organize fingerprint records so they can be searched and compared more easily. So, dito naman sa Henry FBI classification system is gumagamit sila ng method to organize the fingerprint para hindi sila is to easy way to search or identify the fingerprints. And instead of looking at every fingerprint one by one, this system groups them based on certain patterns. Fingerprints generally fall in three main types: lobes, whorls, and arches. In this system, special attention is given to whorl patterns. Each finger is assigned a value depending on whether it has a whorl or not. These values are then placed into a formula to produce a numerical code. This numerical code acts like an address for a set of fingerprints. When investigators need to find a match, they can go directly to the group with the same code instead of searching through all records. This makes the identification process faster and more organized. So next, let's proceed to methods of personal identification and fingerprint classification. Personal identification, also known as a human identification or identity verification, is an essential process in forensic science and law enforcement. It is used to determine the identity of individuals involved in criminal cases, disasters, and other legal situations. Various scientific techniques are applied to ensure accurate the reliable identification, including DNA analysis, forensics, odontology, and fingerprint classification system. So, dito naman is personal identification is the process of confirming who a person is. It is very important in fields like forensic science and law enforcement because it helps identify individuals in situations such as crimes, accident, or disasters. So dito naman, personal identification is parang yung fingerprint natin is very important to, like example, may crime scene and then may nakita silang fingerprint doon. So they can use that to search, they can use that to evidence and identify kung kanino fingerprint yun and mapag-investigahan ganun. And like for example sa accident naman, ma-verify agad kung sino yung tao na yun, kung kanino fingerprint yun. And there are different methods used to identify a person. One common method is DNA analysis, which uses a person's genetic information. Another method is forensic odontology, where teeth and dental records are examined. Fingerprints are also widely used because each person's fingerprints are unique. So that's all for today. Thank you mates and sir.